Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, Alfred Price here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an awesome statue to show you guys. It is Haldir from Lord of the Rings, the Two Towers. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Let's get right into this and let's open up this big bad boy. So let's open up this big bad boy here. Okay, I'll show you this here first. Back of the box. And that's what he's going to look like. Okay. Okay, carefully. Start off with the base again. Oh, I love the textures of the base and everything here, guys. So you can see here. Pretty cool base. And this is number 303 of 750. So we'll start with that there. So yeah, that took a bit to get them together here. So yeah, this is Haldir, and he is a magnificent piece, you guys. I'm just love this piece. It is so awesome. Took a bit to get his cape and everything on, so just to let you know, be very careful because it is fragile. I do like his armor. The likeness of him is so nicely detailed, like blue eyes, and his hair is pretty good, pretty detailed there too, as you can see here. Like, wow, this is awesome. Wow, just looking through the camera here is even better. It's awesome. I love this. And then see, here's his cape. Took me a bit to figure out what was going on there. So, like I said, be very careful if you get this and put this together. And then here's his quiver. Look at all that. Look at the ruggedness and everything, or just look at the detail on this. I can't believe how good this. Weta. Like, geez, you guys do awesome work here. And then his armor, chainmail, and yeah, you see there's a small little arrow as if when he's battling over at Helm's Deep there. He's one of my favorite elves in Lord of the Rings. So right behind probably Legolas. So Like, look how detailed that is. This is unbelievable. And his gauntlets. This is a really cool piece. I like his, if you look underneath here, here's his armor in the front. And then his scabbard for his sword. This is a real cool piece. Wow. His cape again. Look at his sword here. This is really cool, guys. And then the weathering on the chainmail. I'm just in love with this piece, you guys. Wow. Look at that. This is very, very cool. And then there's from behind there. The base is pretty cool down here too. Like the structure in it. Then the map in behind. Very, very cool. Look at the likeness. Look at how much detail is in this one. This is unreal. Like his gloves. Almost like as if he has extra texture for wielding his sword. I'm in love with this statue, guys. That is such a great piece. Awesome job, guys, from What Other. My hat's off to you, and I love your guys' line. This is just awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give me a comment down below what you guys think of this Haldir statue. I just loved it myself. And hit the like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.